Hey everybody, it's me, and we're playing Roblox. Again. No, I don't want to fly into lava. I don't want to life. Actually, yes. Happened. Can't I fly? Tacos. All you can eat. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Well, I didn't have to worry about that. Okay, well. Okay, I'd rather be doggy. Doggy, I'm doggy. Oh, wait, no, I really wanted to be Nyan Cat. No! Why? Okay, whatever. Now let's get a 4. Now we're flying doggy. Would you rather? Now let's not die with this rising acid. Get out what you still can. Get out while you still can. You found all 7 notebooks. What you can do is get out while you still can. What is that? It's kind of funny, but it's now getting frustrating. What's that noise that's like, noit, noit, noit? No, 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 please get me down, please get me down, thank you. But 30 points. Okay, how many points do I have? 1,160. Well, what do we need so many points for? you. Magic windows. Would you shop? Skyrim? Magic windows. Congratulations! You have found all 7 notebooks. Now all you need to do is get out while you still can. Boing. Would you rather be Mario? Luigi, let's be Luigi. Nothing? Am I supposed to be Luigi? Come on, seriously? Oh my. I don't know where I'm going. It's raining tacos. Tacos. No need to ask why. Okay. It's raining tacos. Falling out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Okay, would you rather? Run aliens? Oh, that keeps freaking me out. Oh my god, that's so creepy. Okay. Somebody just jumped off the edge. Okay, this is the easiest thing. No! No! I fell out again. Please. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. No, 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 no. Sour cream. Skyrim. Would you look at that? Oh, look, I'm sitting down. How cute. Look. Okay. I have a little pet penguin out of the sky. Penguin, no need to ask why. Just open your arms and close your eyes. It's raining penguins. Be really quick. I'm about to die. Oh look, I'm level 13. Run as fast as you can. Run as fast as you can. Can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread man. Hooky. Oops, I accidentally got another boombox. Wait. Okay. Let's get out of this game. Do, 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 do. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum. Sour cream. Okay, let's see what this one is. Play or not play. This game is meant to be fun. It meant to see has not a copied game. Okay. Would you rather be in my... Okay, I kinda don't like this game. Bye. Oh, I'm like the only one playing it. Okay. So, okay. Now let's go to the other one. Megaphone Obby. And I am recording. I do not want any noise in the background. This video is almost over. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a like or a comment down below, and I'll try to reply to you to as many as I can, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.